This diagram is called the Aufbau diagram. We can use this diagram to produce electronic configuration of atoms or ions. You notice that there are 4 subshells in this Aufbau diagram. They are S. These are all the S. P subshell, D subshell, and F subshell. S can hold a maximum of 2 electrons. P subshell can hold a maximum of 6 electrons. 10 electrons for D and 14 electrons for F. Let's try to make an example of electronic configuration. Shall we use titanium? Ti. Titanium has 22 electrons according to the periodic table. How to write the electronic configuration of titanium atom? Let's use this diagram. The first subshell is 1s. Remember, we have 2 electron maximum on 1s. So we put 1s2 there. Next is 2s. You have 2 electrons there. And later we must add up all these electrons until we get 22. After 2s, we go for the next one, 2p. And p can have 6 electron maximum. So until 2p6, we have 10 electron already. Then after 2p, what must we write? 3s. So you must put the 3s. How many electrons there? 2. So we have 12 until here. Then after 3s, the next one is 3p. And we can put in 6 here. So 12 plus 6, we have 18 until there. After 3p, we get 4s. And s, you have maximum 2. So until 4s, we have 20. And titanium is 22. So the D, the next one, the 3D, the 3D have only 2. So 22 until here. Yeah. So this is the electronic configuration of titanium. So let's recap titanium. What is titanium? The electronic configuration of titanium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and 3d2.